Hey, it's Eran here doing a quick demo tutorial on Storymate. Okay, Storymate is an Instagram story creation tool where you can create engaging Instagram stories to post on your Instagram. This is actually not released yet to the general public. I have gotten a copy of it so I can actually get a first inside look and be able to share with you this amazing tool. Okay, so pay attention. I'm first of all gonna play you the quick ad. Okay, so it's 30 seconds, so please take a look. So you can see how slick the videos are, and I wanted to give you a first inside look. Now, unfortunately, I actually recorded a full tutorial actually creating a actual video myself, and unfortunately, literally my video, you can see it right here, it just jammed. It's been like this for 2 hours, so I'm recording this again without my face because I don't want to use Loom right now because it just didn't work, so I don't want to waste my time doing another video and it's not working. Therefore, you're not seeing my face. But let me show you the video I created. Now, please understand this is my video, which means if you don't like what you're seeing, blame me, not the software. The software is phenomenal, and I'll show you inside in one moment. So let me play. This is after I've created it. Good. So then you can download it, okay, straight away. Now let me show you how I created it, okay? So you can see I created a couple of projects here. So this is what it looks like. So let's go to home, okay? And I'll show you the inside scoop, okay? This is a first look. So first of all, go to home, and then you'll see you've got a bunch of templates, okay? One moment, it is coming. While it's loading, so on the description of this YouTube video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave a link, and the link will take you to this page, okay, which is just for you to leave your name and email for me so I can notify you once this is released, okay, so you can get a hold of this, okay. Now, in case you're watching this video and this is already released, I will probably replace this link with the actual video link to take you directly to the sales page where you can actually see it for yourself. Okay, so that's just so you know, that's what I'll do. Okay, now here's Storymate. So first of all, when you hover, so there's a few upsells you should be aware of. First of all, what you're seeing, from my understanding, this is the actual purchase itself. Okay, so this is what you're actually getting. Okay, there's lots more templates. Now, there's also premium templates, and then there's a link cloaker for affiliate marketers specifically, image editor, and here there's an upgrade, which I don't have access to that, okay? Now, the projects I just shown you because I created a couple, okay? Now, let me show you. All you gotta do is you gotta hover over these templates, and it will start playing. So I obviously use this one. Let's hover over something else. So let's hover over this one. Now, this is the beauty. It's 15 seconds, which is exactly what you need for an Instagram story. It's obviously a promo video, and it gives you 5 scenes. What does that mean? That means that when you say, okay, I like this video, the style of it, the fact that it's 5 scenes and so on, you then go to create video, it takes you to the editor, and then you literally add your title, right? And you've got 10 letters. Add the second title, 15 letters. It tells you exactly what it is. Then you can add an image. So you can pick your image from your computer and pick whatever you like, okay? Or you can go to Pixabay and it will literally give you, I don't know how many images, but probably thousands of images, okay, that you can pick from. So I could choose, let's say, I don't know, baby. I don't know if I want to do something on a baby, like children or something. Bunch of cute babies, right? Dogs. All these cute dogs, right? Lion. Let's see if there's any lions. Okay, there you go. Lots of lions. Marketing. Okay, marketing topics, video, pictures, social media. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, if you want to promote something along these lines. Okay, sales. Okay. Here you go. Take your pick. Okay. Now, once you choose a picture, you can crop it as well. So you can crop it because you see this is image, for example. This is a large image, right? So it's wide. So you want to crop which piece you want to show, right? So you've got that option as well. Okay. So you literally do that. So then when you're done that, you go to slide number 2, second scene. Add your text, background image, next. 3, background image, text, next. 4, text, next. 5, and you do exactly the same thing. When you're done that, you go to music. Now this will actually let you, because I need to do all this stuff, right? But it will then show you a bunch of tracks. So let me just find something that doesn't have a lot of, because I don't want to go through a whole thing. Maybe this has 5 scenes, 4 scenes. Okay, this is 1 scene. Okay, so that's good. So it'll be quick, right? So I could show you quickly. Select an image, Pixabay, and let's say I want to choose Sydney. That's where I am. I'm in Sydney. There you go. Look at that. Ugh. Gorgeous. Fireworks, New Year's. Okay, so I can obviously crop the image that way I want it, right? Let's pick it again. Pixabay, Sydney. There you go. Crop. You see I can crop it, I can move it, pick it whatever I want to do, and so on. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. It's really up to you. Okay. So let's pick that image. Okay, I like that image. It looks nice. I'm not going to bother cropping it. Just choose title. Visit Sydney, Australia. For New Year's Eve. It is the best in the world. Fireworks, best fireworks ever. Okay, let's just say music, and then look, now is all these tracks that you can literally choose from, right? Okay. Good. I'm closed. I like that one. So I click the plus button and you see it's right here. Dramatic teaser. Straight away. No waiting, no nothing. Okay. Let's just save it, go next, and then all you got to do is start the rendering. And literally within probably 5 minutes, maybe less. And also I will get an email notification letting me know once it's finished rendering, so I don't have to sit here and just wait. I could literally just go and do something else or whatever. So while it's rendering, again, I'm going to leave a link in the description for either this page, okay, or it will be this page for Storymate, which will be the actual sales page, which will be released shortly, okay. Obviously, if you do want to get it, please appreciate if you do buy it. I may get compensated as an affiliate, so the link in the description will give me credit for it. And as an incentive for you to use my link, you know, obviously I'm creating this demo for you to give you an honest, genuine review here. But look, I'll give you a couple of bonuses. I was thinking about what will be a good thing that I would do. This is something that's maybe a bit personal at the moment that I'm doing. I'm actually running a coaching program that I'm offering people, okay? Let me just show you quickly. So this is my one-on-one coaching offer, okay? And, you know, I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested in that or not or whatever. I don't really mind, you know, but if you do want to take advantage of it, I charge 200 US for this. If you buy the first purchase of video for Storymate, sorry, you see it's $200. Then what I'll do is I'll make it 150 instead of 200. And if you get the upsells as well, because there's upsells if you want to get the link cloaker or the upgrade, which you'll see the sales pages. You can decide if you want to do that. I will reduce it even further to $100. I'm not giving it away for free just because I'm actually selling my time, and I don't want to really shortchange my time. But you also get an incredibly massive video course that I'm putting together. And basically that video course is going to be, you know, really pretty much everything I know on internet marketing and so on. And I'll give you a little piece as an example. Yesterday I put together a blog, okay? That blog is called Social Media and Content Marketing Growth Hacks, and this is the blog, right? And if you look, it's sizable, right? A lot of links, videos, content, a lot of content, right? This is a video that I created for the course specifically, my video course. LinkedIn, Quora, Twitter, you know, a lot of stuff really. Basically, now what I've done, you see that I've already got a lot of comments as well, which is really nice. But I've actually recorded the entire blog. Took me 3.5 hours to do that blog. I recorded the entire thing step by step, no shortcuts, no video editing, just straight. This is reality, literally over the shoulder tutorial. So my course, obviously this is on YouTube publicly, but there's a lot of content that I'm actually not sharing publicly. And so that's the video course. It will have literally over 100 videos that's included in that course. So anyway, I think it'll be pretty valuable. So that's a little bonus I'll include, is that the coaching with me, okay? So yeah, so anyways, that's just something I wanted to share. And other than that, I'm hoping that when this comes out, there might be a coupon or some sort of a discount. There probably will be. If there is, I will definitely leave the coupon below so you can get a little discount as well, just to make it a bit cheaper for you. Otherwise, I'll leave the link below. Go ahead and take action. And if it's not released yet, I will definitely notify you by email immediately as soon as it's released. If you do have any questions, definitely comment below or email me, contact@eranbucai.com. If there's anything I can do to help, feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've given a very genuine demo here. This is really no fluff. This is just straight what it is. A first look. You'll see there's not a feature here, image editor as well, which I've not played around with a lot, but you can get an image and rotate, resize, round, color, drawing, filters, shapes, stickers. And the reason why you want to do that is because you can create these pictures and make it more tailored to your projects as well, okay? Then the link cloaker, let me show you that. So basically you get the URL of the link you want to use, okay? So you want to use this. You want to give it a title, the image URL, the description, and then it will show you here. So I haven't played around with that. Let's just see while we're waiting. Let's see if I can do something. Image URL. I don't know if I have any image URL. I don't have an image URL. Anyway, let's see. Maybe there is an image URL. Okay, image URL. Let's see. The world's first Instagram stories creation tool, right? Cloak URL. If this doesn't work, it's because I'm probably not doing it right, so please don't hold against me. Oh yeah, it goes straight to this, to the page. Yeah. Look, don't worry about that. There will be a tutorial on how to do this, so you don't have to worry about that. There'll be a tutorial on that. Oh, there you go. This is ready. Complete. Oh yeah, that's right. I got a notification on my phone. Yep, I got a notification on my phone saying it's ready, and here it is. Complete. Now you can click download as well. Give it a second. It just has to load. There you go. How awesome is that? Imagine creating a local business and an ad like that, a 15 seconds Instagram ad like that. You could sell that easy for hundreds of dollars. Okay, this is just so good, so powerful. You can literally create this for somebody. I mean, all you got to do is create one video and you can actually sell it on Fiverr, sell it on Upwork. There's so many opportunities with this. It's actually ridiculous. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this demo. Thanks for paying attention and being here. If you got any questions, leave a comment below. Otherwise, go to the description, get the link, check out the sales page, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you later. Bye.